Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this cloud-based LinkedIn outreach platform, which is Salesflow. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Salesflow shines in a powerful cloud-based LinkedIn automation tools built for professional and agencies. It helps users send personalized connection requests, automate follow-ups, and manage campaigns without needing to run software locally. Its analytics, smart inbox, and Teams collaboration tools make it one of the most advanced and convenient options for scaling outreach safely and efficiently. That said, Salesflow pricing can be steep for solo users, and LinkedIn involving limit may require cautious use. Still, with its ease of use, automation power, and reliable performance, Salesflow remain one of the best and advanced choice for growing your LinkedIn network and generating quality leads. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.